In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a job in BambooHR. Start by logging into your admin account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Hiring option. Here, you'll see any jobs that are already open. To create a new job posting, click on New Job Opening. Now, you'll start entering the job details step by step. Begin by typing the job title in the posting title field. Next, select the status of the job and then choose the hiring lead. This is the person who will manage the job and oversee candidate selection. From the department drop-down, select the department this position belongs to. Then, from the employment type drop-down, choose whether it's an internship, part-time, or full-time role. You can also specify the minimum experience required for this position. Enter the compensation details in this box and then select the job location, which can be on-site, hybrid, or remote. Choose the country, city, and state accordingly. If the position is on-site, you'll need to enter the full address. After that, add the job description. It's best to have the description prepared beforehand and paste it here to avoid losing formatting. Once all the job information is complete, click on Next Step. In this next section, you'll select Application Questions. Check the boxes for the questions you want applicants to answer, and if certain questions must be required, enable the asterisk toggle so applicants cannot skip them. You can also add your own questions that include short answers, long answers, or file uploads. Then click on Next Step. Now set up your job pipeline. By default, it includes stages like New, Offer, and Hire. If you want to add another step, click on Add Step and select a stage such as Phone Screened, Interviewed, or Put on Hold. Once done, proceed to the next step. Here, you can set automated emails to be sent to candidates at different stages. To do this, click on Add Automated Email. Select the candidate status, choose an email template, set when the email should be sent, and specify the sender from your organization. Save your settings and move to the next step. At this stage, you can also connect your LinkedIn account to post the job there automatically. Additionally, you'll see built-in integrations for Indeed, Glassdoor, and ZipRecruiter. However, to use these, your BambooHR plan must include the Applicant Tracking System, known as ATS. Once everything is configured, click on Save Job. Your posting will now be live, and applicants who apply will appear in this section. You can preview your job listing using the Preview Job Listing icon, which shows how it looks from an applicant's perspective, including the shareable job link. You can also share it directly on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook, and that's how you can successfully post a job in BambooHR.